Hey guys, Danny R10 here again. Sorry for the last video. I saw it got cut off. I was just watching it back and don't realize why. It looks like it cut off like the last 2 minutes of my video. It was supposed to be like a 9-minute and 5-second video. But for some reason, it only published the first 6 minutes and 46 seconds. So let me finish where I left off. I was talking about how the apps continue to run in the background like YouTube. And I just want to give you a quick demo of the other options that you have when you jailbreak your iPad. That you saw mostly how the background processes work. It's excellent. Something that iPad should have from the beginning. The other thing that this has is it lets you use that iFile. Let me put it up here on my iPad. That application called iFile lets you browse your iPad directory. And by doing so, it lets you browse your apps directory and customize or edit the file itself. You're basically adding an extension to one of the files in the app that's very simple using that app, and it lets you run iPhone native apps at that you don't have to use that crappy resolution that the iPhone gives you on the iPad. It actually makes your iPhone apps native resolution to the iPad. You got to go one by one and add that command to all the apps, but it's well worth it if you barely use any iPhone apps. In my case, Facebook. I have Facebook here. Open it up, runs full native resolution on my iPad. Full screen, no problems, just like it was intended to be, or just like Facebook will probably release it. Which is kind of why I'm upset that developers are charging so much money for rehashed versions of their iPad software, where it's nothing but a simple command is what does it. I understand some of the games need to be reworked, but some of the text-based apps like Facebook, Twitter, just like that, look at it, full resolution. Full page, iPad resolution. Have a banking app, like from Regions. I'm not going to log into it itself, but look, full resolution, meant for the iPhone. What else? I have the remote app for Apple. I haven't set it up yet, but look, full resolution. The remote app takes up the whole screen. Also, IGN. Full resolution. No, I don't see any reason. That'll blow up bigger, but there you go. Full resolution. I don't see why some of these developers are charging so much money for their rehashed apps. And I honestly don't get it. I'm going to go down the list of the iPhone apps that I've used in the past and do the same thing to it. And I definitely recommend it, guys. SpiritJB.com, jailbreak your iPad. You get features that you've been dying for. You don't have to wait for background multitasking come fall for 4.0. You can get it now. Very simple to do. No risk. If you ever want to go back to standard, you can always just do a restore from your backup and it goes back to normal with no fear of breaking your iPad. So thanks again, guys. Sorry for the two-part video. Should have been in one video. But stick with me. Danny AR10 here. Danny AR10 on the Twitter. I'll be posting updates tonight when I do my iPhone 3GS jailbreak, so you guys see how that looks. Thanks again.